Welcome to Groweon CRM. In this video, we'll give you a quick overview of our order management module. We believe managing orders shouldn't be a hassle. That's why we've made it easy to track, process, and fulfill all your orders right from a single and intuitive dashboard. Let's explore some of the features and benefits. With Groweon, you get a complete 360-degree view of all orders, from confirmation to delivery, all in one place. Enjoy status updates at every stage and ensure that both your team and customers are informed every step of the way. We sync your inventory and AMC to ensure you never oversell, run out of stock, or miss any AMC provided to your customers. Our built-in notification settings allow you to inform customers and team members via WhatsApp and SMS about the current stage of each order. Remember the smart reports we showcased on the dashboard? With our order management module, you can streamline your operations, save time, reduce errors, and deliver a seamless experience to your customers. Smarter orders mean happier customers. That's the power of Groweon Order Management CRM. For more detailed on order management, feel free to visit our website and ask for a free demo. Thanks a lot.